Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set accurate distances and measurements in the software. So I'm going to click on the measure tool and I'm going to open the snap options and make sure that I have the parcel line snapped to. So I'm going to save that. And this is because I'm going to take a measurement that's 200 feet from the parcel line. So I'm going to click once on the parcel line with the tool that I have selected, the measure tool, and I'm going to hit the tab key. So what this is showing me down here is a distance, a bearing, and an azimuth. You can select decimal degrees is probably the easiest to understand here. So we can just go with select the decimal degrees. And what we can do is make sure our cursor is inside of this distance box. So we can just click once in here to make sure it's in there. And then what we can do is start hitting the backspace on our keyboard. And then we're going to type in 200. So, and then if we hit the tab key, that will tab over. So what you can do is hit the shift and tab key, and this will tab back. So you can see how you can hit the tab and navigate through this form by tab going to the right, shift plus tab, and that goes to the left. So I'm just going to type in 180 degrees for the azimuth because the 0 azimuth is going to be straight north and the east is going to be 90 degrees. Directly south is 180, and then to the west will be 270 degrees. So I'm going to type in 180, and then I'm going to tab over to the add point and finish drawing, and I'm just going to hit the enter key. So this put a 200-foot measurement going on 180 degree azimuth. So I'm going to click once again on the western property line, and I'm going to hit the tab key again, make sure my cursor is in here by clicking once in the distance, and I'm going to put 250, and I'm going to do this on a 90 degree azimuth. So I'm going to tab over and add point and finish drawing and just hit the enter key. And now let's say that I need a building on the property and I need it to be exactly 60 foot by 40. So what I can do is click on the house tool, and I'm going to just start clicking once on the map. So I have my drawing started, and I'm going to hit the tab key. I'm going to make sure the cursor is inside of the distance, and I'm going to hit the backspace. I'm going to type in 60, and I'm going to hit a 90, type in a 90 degree azimuth. Tab over to, and this time I'm going to tab over to the add point, and I'm going to hit enter. So now I'm still on this form, I'm still selecting the add point, and I'm going to hold shift and tab and go back to set my next distance for the building. So I'm going to set it to 40, hit tab over, and this time I'm going to do 180 degrees. So I'm going to type in 180, tab again to select the add point button, and I'm going to hit add point by hitting enter. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do my next 60 foot section of the house, and I'm going to tab over, and I'm going to this time draw it directly west. So I'm going to type in 270, and then I'm going to hit add point. And this time, because we really only need 3 points and the rest is just another 40, I'm going to hit add tab over to add point and finish drawing and hit enter. So now I have my completed building 40 by 60, and I can hit the move key, the move tool up here, select the house, and just move it up here. And if I wanted to, I can move this measurement over too. So, and that way you can put some distances and just gauge exactly where this house is going to go based on like a drawing with some measurements. So I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.